Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. E to the power of ln8 equals to capital 8. Capital A, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, I will put the limit goal here. So we just concentrate on this one. Now we have the second formula in here. ln8 to the power of b equals to b ln8. So capital A, that is about s. Capital B, that is about this one. So we have 1 over ln s multiplied by ln s. So we see that this one and this one, they cancel. And now this one, we have e to the power of number 1, or we put about e. So we have e in here. That is the end. Thank you for watching.